Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to configure HTTPS on WildFly using a Java KeyStore and an official SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. We will cover the entire process, from creating a Java KeyStore to configuring WildFly to use it. We will provide two methods to achieve this, using OpenSSL and using Java KeyTool. Let's get started. First, we need to create a Java KeyStore and generate a certificate signing request, CSR. A KeyStore is like a secure vault for storing cryptographic keys and certificates. First of all, let's take a look at how to do all steps with OpenSSL tool. Firstly, we need to generate a private key. Open your terminal and run the following command to generate a private key. This command creates a private key file. Next, we generate a CSR file which we will send to the SSL provider to obtain an official SSL certificate. You will be prompted to enter some information, such as your country, state, and domain name. Make sure to fill these in accurately. Alternatively, you can perform these steps using Java KeyTool. Firstly, we need to generate a private key in CSR file. Now, we will use the CSR to obtain an SSL certificate from the SSL provider. We'll use certbot, a popular tool for managing Let's Encrypt certificates. Run certbot with the following command, substituting your domain name. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Certbot will create the necessary certificate files. Now, we should import the SSL certificate into the Java KeyStore. First of all, let's take a look at how to do this with the OpenSSL tool. Firstly, we need to convert the SSL certificate in private key to PKCS12 format. We convert the SSL certificate to PKCS12 format because it is a versatile format that can include the entire certificate chain and private key in one file, making it easier to import into a Java KeyStore. Next, we need to create the Java KeyStore from this PKCS12 file. Now, let's verify our Java KeyStore and check the content. Ensure that the KeyStore contains your certificate. We have our Java KeyStore, and now we can configure WildFly to use our Java KeyStore. We should locate and edit WildFly's configuration to use the Java KeyStore. Here's what you need to change and why. WildFly configuration files are usually found in the WildFly/standalone/configuration directory. You should copy keystone.jks file with SSL certificates into this directory. This directory also contains several WildFly configuration templates that we can use to avoid making a lot of manual changes. For simplicity, I propose to use one of them and replace standalone.xml configuration file by standalone full.xml configuration file, which already contains HTTPS listener configuration. Now, let's open the standalone.xml file and locate the TLS configuration section. We should update file path to our Java KeyStore with SSL certificates and password to this Java KeyStore. Let's restart our WildFly server and check the results of our configuration. It works. By following these steps, you can securely configure HTTPS on your WildFly server using an official SSL certificate. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more technical content. See you in the next video.